This mesmerizing Panimur waterfall is located in the district of Dima Hasao, Assam. Panimur waterfall is 20 km away from Yungbra police station and 230 km from Guwahati. The Kopili river turns into a thrilling waterfall rolling over the rocks of Panimur. Very beautiful place, clean blue water, love and peaceful place. Swimmers can jump from rocks cliff into the river and swim. It is purely holy birthplace for the people of Dima Hasao. It is also called Kopili Tirthoista. Nice place. Looks like Vigra Falls, tiny Vigra Falls of Assam. Friends, if you like my videos,